Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on eToro, one of the leading social trading platforms. If you're eager to enter the world of Bitcoin and want to learn how to make your first purchase on eToro, you've come to the right place. Let's get started with our step-by-step guide. The first step is to create your account on eToro. Go to eToro's website, eToro.com. The link will also be in the description. And click on the Join Now or Sign Up button. From here, you'll need to fill in your details, including your email address, username, and a secure password. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Click on Deposit Funds or Add Funds on your eToro dashboard. Choose your preferred deposit method, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or debit card, credit card. Then enter the amount you wish to deposit. On the eToro platform, use the search bar to find Bitcoin or BTC. Click on the Bitcoin asset to open its page. On the Bitcoin page, click on the Trade button to initiate the buying process. You can also click on the Buy button to begin purchasing Bitcoin. Now, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can enter the amount of Bitcoin in Bitcoin units or your local currency, and eToro will automatically calculate the equivalent. Double check all the details of your trade, including the investment amount and any risk management settings. Once you're satisfied, click on Open Trade to confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you successfully bought Bitcoin on eToro. Now you can monitor your investment's performance on your eToro dashboard. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin on eToro. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started on your cryptocurrency journey. If you found this video valuable, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content on cryptocurrencies, trading, and blockchain technology. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing on eToro.